Woof, 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 woof. That was a really crappy animal. Okay, so she tried. Problem number 5. It's one of the harder problems of the entire test, but hopefully after I explain it, it'll make at least a little bit more sense. So, anyways, first off, the g is the inverse. So I'm really looking for, so g prime at -2 is really f inverse of -2, but the derivative of that, which by the formula that we talked about on Friday, is 1 over the derivative of f, but not at -2, at f inverse of -2. So we have to figure out what value can I plug into x to output a -2. In other words, we know from the problem that f of x equals x cubed minus 3x squared. And I want my output to be a -2. So what do I plug in for x to give me a -2? There's not really a good way to do this other than guessing and checking, but I'm going to make the problem very easy for you. First off, if I factor out an x squared, we let this be x minus 3. How can I get a -2 anywhere out of this? Hey, guess what? If x were 1, I'd have 1 squared times 1 minus 3. And lo and behold, -2 equals 1 squared over 1 minus 3. That's -2. So x would be 1. So what do I plug in for x to output a -2? That's 1. So that means my f inverse of -2 is actually 1. So now we got to find the derivative at 1. Well, here's f of x. F prime of x is 3x squared minus 6x, which at 1 gives me 3 minus 6. I'm running out of room. Hope it's not too sloppy and hard to follow. But that gives me 1 over -3. And I hope that's an answer. A. Does that work with my answer packet? Yes, it does. A. Awesome. So, trick of the problem. This is going to be called the rope trick. Hopefully this works. Make sure everybody focuses on the rope. Otherwise, it will not work. So, here we go. Ready? Rope trick. Regular, normal rope. Here we go. Hope this works. Pay attention, all of you. Carter, wake up. Okay, here we go. Look at that. You see it? You see it? Oh man, that was good. Next problem.